Everyone, welcome to the channel QCC Guide. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today our topic is to introduction to Revit and we can discuss their all options we have in Autodesk Revit 2020. So on the top left corner we have the open the project, save as, and the export. We can export the CAD files from the Revit files, and we can create and export the images from the Revit, and we can export the reports from the Revit. For example, we have the space schedule, room schedule, extra. Then we have the architecture tab first. We have the options of walls, windows, component, roof, ceiling. We can draw the ceiling, then we can draw the roof. We have the option in the second tab. We have the options of column, beam, floors. All these options we can draw easily. In the next upcoming videos, we can show you the demo and tutorial each and every time. Here is the tab of the duct, so we can draw the duct here, supply air, return air, and all type of. Here's the option of duct accessories, the grills, and the equipment. So we have, for the plumbing, we have the pipes, plumbing fixture, we have WC, bathtub, shower, etc. The component we need to add these and load it the family into Revit, and we do all the things easily. So here's our insert tab. We can insert the CAD drawings in it easily through this insert tab, and we can draw the 3D model in Revit on the CAD files. So here's the keynote. We can keynote and tagging. We use that keynote tab. Then we have the analyze. We have the spaces there, zones, and heating and cooling. We can create the schedule from there. Each or everything is included there. We have the views. These views, we have the sections. They are 3D views. In the manage tab, we have the project information, project parameters. We can purge there from there the additional settings, and their revision. We can change the revision from there. So in the next upcoming videos, we can demo you the each and everything and show you how to draw the walls, roof, and everything in the Revit, the 3D model. We can define you the each and every step, how to create the walls, windows, and how you can draw the whole building on this. On the top we have the section setting, 3D view, text size, dimension, save